Over covers and above doesn't touch. Super simple. Number one, the clouds are blank the city. Should it be over? Over above? Well, clouds don't cover the whole city like a blanket in this sentence. They are just higher, so the better choice is above. Let's read it again. The clouds are above the city. Great job. Let's keep going. Number two, a lamp hangs blank the table. Now lamps usually hang directly covering the space below them. That sounds more like over. So the answer is a lamp hangs over the table. Nailed it. Number three, a picture is blank the sofa. A picture on the wall is just positioned higher, not covering the sofa. So we go with above. Final version, a picture is above the sofa. Number four, the clock is blank the door. Picture a clock on the wall. It isn't covering the door, just hanging higher up. That's definitely above. So we say the clock is above the door. Nice and clear. Now, number five. The plane is blank the mountains. The plane isn't covering the mountains like whipped cream on a cake. It's just higher in the sky, so we say the plane is above the mountains. Perfect. And that wraps up the first round. Quick recap. Remember, over covers and above doesn't touch. Simple and powerful. Now I want you to try the extra exercise. Numbers 6 to 10 on your own. Don't forget to check the answer key at the end. I'm Nielsen, a real person, not AI, working hard to make these lessons for you. If your English level goes above your expectations, I promise I won't fly over your head with more jokes. Catch you in the next one.